Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Saki, Jefferson Saki coming inside on the other side. We have Haruna Idrisu on the other side. And then we have somebody like Opon Kroma, Information Minister, on the other side.
Now, Haruna Idrisu will be between the national.
That's he's coming back. No, we don't want him to lose. No, we need Haruna in the parliament.
Of course.
We don't want Haruna to lose.
Of course.
No. We need people that can lead the charge. Now, then who is left?
Now, when the two were paying for
when
the two of us on step your side.
No, cause he has a higher calling. And it's better.
Okay.
You leave while the applause are allowed. You leave. That's one thing that blacks we don't know how to do. Say we leave when the applause are allowed. You don't leave prayer. What's the tell one say when in area decide was for and was in an all right. So he did the right thing.
Adwa
because Okojina be one
Kobelusu won.
Yes. Na Kennedy Agyapong Okojina Central and Kobelusu. One try.
Is he having a presidential ambition and a vice president? A bit much far from home.
To be honest with you, whichever ambition he has, I don't know. But he deserves whatever ambition he chooses to be.
Okay.
You understand whatever, and so he deserves whatever he chooses to be. I guess they'll say Swamefo needs a new face, a fresh energy, and that is what they are going for. And I'm glad they are doing that.
Now,
I'm telling you, Don.
Ora Kennedy Kojina has seen Central and Kobelusi. How?
Kobelusi Poto.
Really?
Yeah. I say not election. Jachiko is why Kennedy. They say Kennedy na Gasana Jumano, Kansas City media. Omo ya election or Kobelusi.
How?
And the popularity now. Now who say for?
Hey, Obia no.
They just them be. That's what they are doing. No, but we go job baby. I math deal.
Obia no what presidential ambition no. Yeah, one mo flag bearer now the leader for the NPP. A call a friend say primaries. Vote Onya
37%. Onya 37%, and that 37% last maybe breaking it down now. 7% now Kennedy, Alan voters or Alan delegate voted for him. Fair not on change. 1 year, one more gonna say a good for do buy now mom will be an near and I say good for do buy now and share down from one share baby. No, you all voted for Ken, and that is how we got that.
Now say no crowd when you're 37, which is not bad for a starter.
No, it's 97 a pass mark in an exams.
Considering the fact that you
there be exams now 37% are passing.
There be on passing.
And the other I'm so charge. But yeah, mama papa will feel it well. And when I no 37% and you're not and I go anymore.
He can come back again. He can come back again. And when he does, don't you know that?
Can do what? That's so bad that you. There's no face said ne. Then the unity so be standing for flag bearer. Obena go for the energy to self first no.
Really?
Because you know.
Really?
Me see you know.
Hey, I just have for now on this side.
You telling somebody say, no I'm ton konkonte. No I'm ton meko. No I'm ton wele. No I'm ton nsuo. You want to me mama ye bibi papa bia you think Ghanaians are stupid?
Eno de wan kan
who did ya mama no adwuma omo ya atem.
Obetimi apacho. Eno wan kan wetuma apacho.
So e dey chop na obepa. Ye to abewe wan ka so obeya ayi.
Oh, Minya first
out of the bag. That's quick. I'm so happy she was gone. And I'm actually glad that the delegate actually humiliated her. When you are more than 4 times what I just have got.
Yeah, 1,100 and something plus, yeah.
Big time and we are see big time. Now, I'm not quite say, Sebe, don't make a 4 delegate here or yet Tampico, and you got a map. You got to call. Now, Yempe Ubia. Say ban say sebe constituency here representative what obetumi akoboaye and that person is Aaron Michael Kban. I say Michael K Jr. Or no and almost to abedi. And it just some can say what Domi Kwabenya say after Ajua Safwa was overthrown. I don't know if you saw the street of Domi Kwabenya. People were actually saying Jama or Maniaji.
Yes.
Said they overthrew her.
Maybe be cross and you.
Like people were on the show. Okay, who had the same video? Yes. Of one in the street, so
almost so
say Yapamo Ajua Safwa.
Yeah.
Omunjimi. Hey, baby, to say Bantama and see a bit in a Kodru. Now in Conte Urabano, Aboyano more than 10%. 10%, 90%.
I said, where they are not they say.
I say, Conte Urabano, BT, I had the autonomy, lawyer by 90%. I said, so watching 1,300 you said, lawyer never lawyer no omunya 181 into one can certificate film na head aka over 90% DBT no. And that shows you say me my Ashanti people no Ashanti the obo yeah my own be free sir the front concert land no ma Ashanti me me kan kire me den say mo him no man ko to aba ma we ya me pray we ya pie me the we be pie afefa pie ne ya ya to ama na we fa pie ne ya hwede awo ya to aba no di ama na wie fa pie ne ya hwede be ye sari ayo ho basa sikani ayo bawe sa amane asem ye dia kodwa so 1 week ayanto wa chinchima tata so say that say sikani na kwase asem kwa I have money to play this shit I have money to play the China ebo wa pampa so no o feed ni 10 o feed ni na ba kokura ni ho a otumi ni ye as to show you say you are not powerful than the political party you are inside party and go to NDC omo no mo yes an kwase ade no wo no mo be didi wo bra wo mind ni bleedi MPP for na mo dey according to who no who was be anya position who was be anya post in the na fail no mo nka NDC ne ya mo ko mema mo position akwase ampa fo ne guo into wo do knowledge ne kakra kwa on be pe ba bia ma wa she leave the party and go. And leadership, I've told you people, I'm not going to pamper anybody. You must have unity. I will not pamper nobody. You love MPP, you will work for NPP. Waba there, waba ye, kaba mamo, sana ye sakawa, you ne asre ekufuado. Ye kobia no ye ya mende wanya ho mfaso ofunte na ase ya begina ho ka kire wo se ono gra better eyi se oba beboa wo. What's wrong with you people? SK, welcome. What's wrong with you people? And let's say yan kasa no unsa me papa na otuto koko enti okopie sehwi